Okay, greetings Heartstern families. We're going to do the second video to show you some different resources with ebooks. In the last one, I showed you how to access capstone ebooks right here. And right now I'm going to show you how to access the public library's ebooks. You click on that and then you would click on ebooks. And for this, you just need to have your public library card and know what your password is. For the card number, on the back of the card, it has a barcode and it has what the number is. And this number is kind of long, so I'm going to type in mine right now. I actually have it memorized because I use it so much. My daughters actually have theirs memorized as well because they love to use these. So then you would type in your password and you would click on sign in. Okay, and if you don't know what these are, then just go to your local public library and ask them to help you, and they would be glad to help you. And the great thing about this is if you don't have time to go into the library or if you're going to be traveling, you don't have to worry about losing a book. Instead, you can read these on any smart device or tablet or computer, and you can access them anywhere that you have internet. And I'm actually going to show you how, even if you don't have internet, you can download them to your device and be able to read the books in a location where you don't have internet. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a book you want to read. And you can just browse through and see what they have, or you can also search for a specific title. So one book that a lot of students love is Dog Man. So I'm going to type in that and see what we find, and we have actually one that is available to check out right now. The others, it says waitlist, and that means that it's not currently available, but you could always place a hold if you wanted to read it later when it becomes available, and then they would let you know when it is available. So those are the ones that they have, and you can see a lot of them are waitlisted. This one is available, so I'm going to click right here and say borrow. So that way I can borrow it now and I can start reading it. They give you the option to borrow for 7 days or 14 days, so you can choose which one you think is best and then click on borrow. And then if you have a Kindle, you do need to select Read Now with Kindle because it has a different app that you have to use for that. Or if you have any other device, then you're going to click Read Now in browser if you want to read it right now. So I'm going to click on that so I can show you some different features. Okay, and the book looks exactly like the book would look. Okay, it's just online on your tablet or smartphone or computer. So you just click to turn the page. If you want to go back, you would click or swipe on the left side. And if you want to access the menu option, then you would click at the top of the screen. And this is where you can actually put a bookmark. So right now the bookmark is selected on that page. So if you're going to stop reading and when you want to pick back up the same spot, you would put that bookmark. Okay, so I'm going to put the bookmark there. And right here, you click on that and it gives you a menu. So if you want to go to where a certain bookmark is, you could do that there. Or let's say that you want to read it offline. Okay, so you can click on offline access. So let's say that you want to be able to read it somewhere where you don't have internet. Maybe you're driving in the car, or maybe you're going to be at home and you don't have internet at home. You can click on start download and it's going to download it to your device. And so if you were going to be without internet, you click on start download. Now it's downloading it to my device, and then I will be able to read it even if I don't have internet. Okay, so that's a really cool feature that I love about these public library ebooks. Okay, and it might take it a little bit to download. So while it's doing that, I'll show you some other features. So reading settings, you can also, for some of the books, it says it's not available for this book, probably because it's a graphic novel, but for some of them, you can actually change the size of the font and make it bigger or smaller. This one won't allow us to do that. But there's a lot of different features that you can use with these ebooks. And like I said, if you don't have internet or don't want to use data, you can download it to your device and still